Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to answer one of the questions again what was asked in the live on Thursday, and that was about 301ing from the main location page to your home page, like what's it all about. Well, basically your home page is going to be all about Kenneth City, yeah, because that's the central location for this place. So if I go into here, I go to edit it, you will see that my central location is Kenneth City, which means that my home page is Kenneth City, based around Kenneth City. So what we do is we 301 redirect the magic page to the home page. So if the magic page ranks, anybody clicks on it, they just go to the home page. So it just sends the power there just the same. So the way I do it, I use Project Supremacy. It's got this 301 and 404 built in. Obviously, if you haven't got that, there is loads of plugins which you can use, 301 to 404. And all you do, you get your link, and they all tend to work the same. So you just do it, make sure you copy it, come in, add a redirect. Now you'll put it in, and what you'll do is you'll take off the beginning. So it's /NEME/Kenneth City/ click OK, put on there, do that, click OK. It's going to come back, job's done. Okay, so now when we go to Kenneth City, if I do a refresh on this, it now takes me to the home page. Let's scroll down. Let's go to Seminole. I've actually put the Seminole video on here. There we go. It's got its own video on. We're up there. We'll find out. Go Kenneth City. It goes back to the home page. So that's all it is when we say 301 from the main location page to your home page. Hope that was useful, guys. Catch you on the next video. Bye.